Come along down below the sea, where fishes dance so happily. Bubbles rise and dolphins play. Let's explore the ocean today. Starfish twinkle shiny and bright. Octopus waves its arms so light. Clownfish giggle darting around. Crabs make funny clacking sound. Under the sea we splash and glide, with turtles swimming side by side. Coral shining, colors new. The ocean sings a song for you. Seahorse sways with gentle grace. Jellyfish glow